Here's how you can clear out the cache or the data for a particular app on your Vivo phone with Android 14 Origin OS 4. So if you want to clear out the cache for a app or perhaps the entire data on a particular app, you'll find the app and long press that app like this here. When you do this, you'll see all these options and you'll go to where it says app info, that right there. As you enter into the app info section, you're going to see the storage section, which is this one right here. Then by tapping here, it'll take you to this view where you can see the clear cache and the clear data. Now, if I close in here a little bit, you'll see there's a cache, which gives you the amount here. If you tap here like that one time, that's going to clear out the cache and any temporarily stored files. Maybe the app has been acting kind of funny and you want to kind of refresh it, so that would work just fine. Now, if you have the app and there's a few things that's just been acting so weird and you want to clear out everything, which also includes and may also include clearing out your sign-in and some certain information, you can go with clear data, but it doesn't really erase the app or uninstall the app. It basically clears out anything that's been saved into that app. So think 10 times before you do this, or just simply don't do this. But if you want to, here's what's going to happen. You delete it. It's going to clear out everything. And if I go back into the app here, it's going to start off as if you just installed the app. Like and sub.